I believe everyone is able to feel an environment when it is heavy, energetically heavy. You are in a certain place and all of a sudden you feel that something is not good there. It is really heavy. And then after some time you realize that a discussion has just happened or something else. We can sense these things. Everyone is capable. You know what I'm talking about. Now, an extremely positive environment is something that can come, there is a peak and may disappear. But sometimes you can see this environment, feel that, be immersed in this, all of this feeling, in all of this atmosphere. And this can last for 1 week. That was my experience in Mexico during some workshops. Quantum Touch Level 1, the basic workshop, Becoming More, and the latest, the most recent one, Becoming Ageless. I'm not talking about euphoria, when there is a peak and this disappears just after. I'm going to talk about something consistent, something that was growing up day after day with very intense experiences shared with all the people present, 20 people and then 40 people. I remember that one thing I shared with all the present people during the workshop was this: don't accept the virtual life. Because after some events that happened worldwide, we kind of started accepting the virtual life. But the life can be more. You can be in community. You can be with our community. We can share things. You can share profound moments in silence. You can run energy together. This is priceless. This was beyond all the expectations what I tasted during these days. I attended level 1 workshop. It was already a strong experience. I was grounded after some experiences. And when I attended Becoming More with Richard Gordon, I had such a strong feeling during this workshop. I want to share that with you. If you ever think about if you should or shouldn't go to attend this workshop next time that is offered, let me tell you this, my friend. Do not hesitate. Just go. Don't overthink. Just go there to have this experience into your life. Something that will last in your life. Something that you can have the taste alive. It's not imagination. Auto-suggestion. It is something real. I'm really sorry when someone doubts about energy healing. There is a situation I like to share with people. One day, a very fine lady, an engineer, needed quantum touch. I offered her 3 sessions. She had a back pain that nobody knew what that was about. One day, the back pain came back, and then I talked to her by phone. And all the sessions were distant sessions, distant work. And after the 4th, it completely disappeared. She didn't have anything else. One day, I was in a situation where this lady was there. And then she said, you know what? I don't know what you did, but I don't believe in anything. I really don't understand what you did, but for me, I don't know how it worked, but I don't believe in any of that, in anything of that. And then I didn't feel offended. I just put my hand on her shoulder and I said, looking at her eyes, I said, with all due respect, I don't care about your opinion. You know why? Because you are the proof that it works. And she was kind of embarrassed. She didn't have anything to say. And I was just having fun because, my friend, this is really a joke. Someone who was benefited by that saying that she doesn't believe. I didn't take this seriously. I didn't take this as something heavy. I just had fun. And I like to tell everyone this story because someone was benefited after years of back pain. After 3 short sessions of 20 minutes, it was really short, 20 to 30 minutes each, plus a last one, a fourth one, because the pain came back. And then I did a fourth session as a bonus. And she comes and says, I don't believe in anything of that. Okay, so we need to have fun with these situations. I'm just curious if she was there these days, experiencing everything I had the privilege of doing. If you think about, if you consider attending, becoming more, give you this chance. Give this present to yourself. It is really life-changing. This is offered twice a year. Don't waste your time. Perhaps the peace you are looking for years is there. Just like that, instantaneously. Regarding becoming ageless, it is the same thing. Becoming ageless is the latest breakthrough by Richard Ward and Deborah Gair. It is so strong. I've never in my life had such a strong energy in my system. I'm sharing with my friends, my new friends, the experiences we're having. It is normal now for us, the things we have access to. The access to a very strong technique that is really life-changing. So I'll say that again. If you ever consider not attending to this workshop for whatever reason, the only thing I can tell you is that give you that chance. I'm looking forward to going there next time, to meeting this community. Online workshops are excellent. You can have workshops with someone who is in Hawaii or in Scotland or in Germany, as I did, living in Canada. This is amazing. But when you have a chance, attend the on-site workshops, especially in events like that, with a concentration of people, 20, 30, 40 people. If you have not done that yet, subscribe to our newsletter and you'll see some very interesting stories about workshops, about daily life, about constant lifestyle. Thank you.